Guys, check out some amazing video I generated with Google Veo 3. Just check it out and see how it look.
The ancestors speak through the fire, child. The Leopard King's shadow falls long, but your heart shines brighter.
What manner of magic is that?
As you can see guys, that this AI generates a high quality video for me guys, and in this very video I'm going to be guiding you step by step process on how you can get to create a realistic video with Google VO3 guys, with Google VEO3. And this process is very simple, and is what you just need is to watch this particular from the beginning to the end. And another thing is, I'm still going to be guiding you step by step process on how you can get Google VO3 for absolutely free for 1 month straight guys. That means you can generate as much video as you can for 1 month guys. Okay guys, before we fully jump right into this very video, if you have not subscribed, kindly smash the subscribe button right now, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video you will be the first person to be notified. Without further ado, let's jump right into this very video right now guys. Okay, so the first step we are going to be taking right now is to go to your browser and search for the name of this search for the website labs.google or Google Flow. Right now type it on your browser. As you can see right now, with one for 1 month we can get subscription free. That is, we are not going to pay any dime right now to get this right there, to get this offer. So what we just need to do right now is to click on get offer available. The offer is available in 70 countries right there, and I'm very sure it is available in most African countries. It is available in Nigeria if you're watching from Nigeria, and it is available almost in all America right there. So once we click on get offer, it will bring us to this interface right now. So it will also, you can see film making tool and more. So we are going to be getting this for absolutely for 1 month. What you just need to do is to click on agree right now, click on get Google AI Pro and click on agree. So they will ask you to add your credit card, and you can cancel it at any time before the ending. Make sure you cancel it so that they will not deduct your money. It's very important guys. So once you are done with this step, you can just click on subscribe. So I've subscribed to it already, and guys, so I just need to move to this interface right now, and let me show you on how we can get to create a realistic video right now. So we are going to be making use of ChatGPT to write our prompt. So this is what I gave ChatGPT. I said, tell ChatGPT, help me to write a prompt, and this is on basically on Disney style animation video. So this is what he wrote for me right now. This is the prompt right now. So this is the prompt. We don't need to read it, we just need to copy it, and we need to copy it right now, and let's move to Google Flow right there. Okay, so we need to move to Google Flow interface right now, and let's go and generate some video, which is very simple and easy. The most important thing is to write a good prompt. That's why I'm using ChatGPT to write my prompt. So I need to move this from Google VO2 to Google VEO3 right there. This is more realistic. It's going to create a more realistic video with sound right now, which is very important. It's going to create a video and it's going to add sound. It's very important to do that. Okay, it's loading. Boom guys, the video is ready. This is, you can see how awesome it is. And another thing is it adds sound with it, you can see. And we can also use this to create a consistent character, which is very simple. So I put in another prompt. I told the ChatGPT to generate amazing prompt I can use to generate Africa folk tale video. Right now you can see it generates a new prompt for me. If you don't have idea on how you can get to generate prompt, this is, you can use this method I'm using right now. But if you have your own idea that you want to create, like, okay, you have idea, okay, I want to create this particular video, you can write your prompt, and you can also take ChatGPT to help you to enhance the prompt so that it will fit in, so that the quality of the video you are going to get is going to be high. So I need to paste this prompt again right now and see how this website is going to perform its magic right there. Okay, so we need to click on send. Okay, and we need to click on send, and let's wait for a few minutes, like the process of generating is just minutes. Is You can see, boom, guys, it has generated an awesome Africa 40 video for us, guys. You can see how awesome it is. This is awesome. Like, guys, go and try Google Veo 3, and as I said, go and try it. And the process is very, very simple and easy to follow. Just go and try it and thank me later. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. I really love you all. If you have any question, go down in the comment section and ask me some question. Thank you. Thank you.